tip of the day. Did you know that Cool Dude 503 has another YouTube account named ClayRanger503? Wow, I never knew that. I should check it out. Windows XP Professional is no longer supported. Please upgrade.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Oklahoma, Logan, Payne, Pawnee, Osage, Garfield, Kingfisher, Blaine, Shadow, and Radiant Hill. 10:44 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:15 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado capable of producing penny-sized hail and high winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. This tornado was located about 10 miles west of Ponca City or about 5 miles north of Enid. The tornado will be near Bartlesville by 9:25 a.m., Tulsa by 9:35 a.m., Stillwater by 9:55 a.m., Ponca City by 10 o'clock a.m., Enid by 10:10 a.m., Watonga by 10:20 a.m., and by Oklahoma City by 10:30 a.m. Remember, tornadoes are one of nature's #1 killers. If you are caught outside, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home. If you are caught in a car or RV, evacuate them for a stronger shelter. If no shelter is available, lay flat in the nearest ditch and cover your head with blankets and pillows. Repeat, the National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Oklahoma, Logan, Payne, Pawnee, Osage, Garfield, Kingfisher, Blaine, Shadow, and Radiant Hill. 10:44 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Button isn't available. For shame. Windows XP needs to downgrade to Windows 2000 for only a few moments. It's just like using a Windows 2000 CG on XP. Windows 2000 encountered a fatal error. Please upgrade to one of the operating systems to continue. I will take XP. Thank you very much. The emails from Microsoft Anna, AT&T Mike, and AT&T Rich are still here. What do you wish to do with them? Why can't I still delete those messages? Those emails are infected with viruses.